Welcome back, everybody. Remember, yesterday I posted a video on a 3D printed virus. Today I'm going to make another one. I'm going to show you, I'm going to make a mask for the virus because that looks pretty cool. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it in Tinkercad because CAD costs money. And yeah, that's basically the point. So let's just have a picture of a mask. Okay, so we want our mask to look something like this, but like better. Between this and that. Anyways, let's get started. So, shouldn't be that hard. We go ahead and chuck a pyramid right there. 45 degrees. 46 is fine too. Extend that and that. This is complete speed. Okay, looks a bit too long to me. Nope, I don't need that. Just be trash. Then I duplicate it. Duplication. Chuck that across right there. And then we can just connect it. Make it white. There you go, that's half of it done. Then let's add this half sphere right there. Make a slightly breather thing. Maybe add a few bars on it. Zoom in on it. That's way too big. Add one of those. Add two of those. Theoretically, this is bright. Then that looks like a good mask. I'm gonna add this on the side. Let's make band. Let's try again. Make it nah. Yes. Just erase that part. Honestly, looks pretty good. Okay, get the right view. Zoom out. Make that look like some lines. Then we duplicate that. Toss that over here. Spin that around. Zoom out. Honestly, that looks pretty good. Let's group it all together. Nope. It's not what I meant. White. Not white. Those things need to be. Just grab that and group them. That looks pretty good to me. Then we should be able to paste this the virus I made yesterday. Slap that on. Make this amount smaller. Slap that right there. way too high. Make it this. Then it's gonna look just like this. And that's the virus with the mask on it. And now I'm gonna upload it to my software. I'm gonna print it. See you guys in the time lapse.